What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. I wanted to do a short update on ASM. It has been 3 days, I think. This has now been the most covered crypto on this channel for several reasons. One, I am invested in it, so I'm actually looking at the price quite closely. I got in at right here, so at around 8 cents. And the second reason being, which is more important, is that there's a lot of demand for updates on this price prediction, and ASM is making a lot of big moves. So let me take a quick look before we get into the price prediction. Currently it is at 20 cents round. It's quite steady around that level, and it has a 136 market cap. So if we're looking at market cap, there's still a lot of room for growth. I mean, at least a change in tenfold could happen, so a 10x. I think that's, I think there's quite a big opportunity for that. I'm not quite sure how long that will take, because I am expecting a pullback in November somewhere. But I do think that we have some more bullish potential and momentum left, at least in ASM, before that time. Because the price is now at 20 cents, as I said, and I do think it could retrace a little bit more. I am very bullish on it. I think we're going to make new all-time highs. And I think the next real resistance, which I think will hold, at least the body of the candlestick, is around 17.5 cents. And the lowest amount would be here at 16.4. Just because the lowest Fib is right there, but there are a lot of Fibonacci's here. And there's also a strong trend line, which is holding. And the 28 period EMA, that's just a big area of confluences. And I think if the price will not move to all-time highs from where it is right now, it will find enough support and bullish momentum from this area. From this area, I do think that we're going up. We might find some resistance here at the all-time high, just because some people will be selling at the all-time high. They think it has reached it again, it won't go any higher. In my opinion, it will go higher, but again, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on technical analysis and tokenomics also a little bit. So after that, we might find some resistance here at the 3 Fibonacci of this major one, which is from up here to down there. But eventually, I think the next real resistance will be anywhere between 33 and 34 cents. So that would bring the market cap up to yeah, it's difficult to say, but something like 300 million, something like that. Yeah, I think so. Might be a little less, so even then there's still a lot of potential. I do not say that from this area we will see a really big pullback, but I just think that the first resistance will be here. Maybe something like this. And after that resistance, we can also go higher. I'm not quite sure of where we can go. There are a lot of places. Maybe this 2618 is the next one at around 47 cents. Maybe then the next one is at 60 cents. But really, I need to reassess that in the future. And for now, I just wanted to do a quick update that I think this support will hold, and that we might find some resistance on the way to 33, 34 cents. But ultimately, I think we can reach that area quite quickly. I mean, it could even happen in the next hour. You never know with these coins and with the volume that is coming into ASM right now. Fundamentally, also a very good project. Just look up the site and you see they have a working product, and it's actually in use in South Korea. And I believe there's quite some hype around it. I'm not native to all South Korean social media platforms, but still I've heard it more often of other people. So yeah, that's basically my price prediction, price analysis on ASM for the upcoming days, I think. I do think I have to update this again in a few days. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!